What if the SUV you've had your eye on turns out to be one of the costliest mistakes you could make? Many buyers assume price alone equals value, but in reality, there's more to consider. Fuel costs, repairs, and even resale value. Today, we'll reveal 5 used SUVs that actually deliver long-term benefits, the kind most people never think about. Some options on this list might look ordinary, but their dependability can save you thousands. Curious to know which one tops the list for reliability? Let's start with the first contender. Number 1, Toyota RAV4. What's the SUV that quietly holds its value better than many luxury cars? That's right, the Toyota RAV4. It may not turn heads in traffic or grab attention the way a flashy brand might, but that's the point. The RAV4's reputation is built on something far more meaningful than looks. It's built on being a dependable financial decision for drivers who want peace of mind for years. At first glance, you could easily mistake it for being just another family car, but its record proves why it ranks at the top of smart used choices. For a lot of families, the compact SUV segment raises doubts. People wonder if these smaller vehicles really deliver all the strength and endurance larger models claim to have. After all, nobody wants to buy a vehicle only to feel cramped later or face repair bills they didn't expect. The RAV4 pushes back against that skepticism. Owners have driven their SUVs beyond 300,000 kilometers without facing major breakdowns, showing that Toyota engineered this model not just for today, but for the long haul. Those kinds of numbers are not rare stories. They're fairly common outcomes with a well-maintained RAV4. Now, reliability is one thing, but the RAV4 also provides confidence when it comes to retaining its value. Look at the way used RAV4s perform on the resale market. A 5-year-old RAV4 often lists at a price that surprises buyers because it hasn't collapsed the way many competitors' values have. Check any used car website today, and you'll see RAV4s keeping their price thousands higher than other compact SUVs of the same age. For the owner, that's like getting rewarded a second time. First for enjoying years of trouble-free driving, then again when it's time to sell or trade. Fuel economy is another reason this SUV continues to make financial sense. It delivers respectable mileage for a compact SUV. You're not burning fuel the way larger vehicles might, and that matters over several years. For buyers in places like Ontario, that efficiency combines with its reliable all-wheel drive to give them security in winter without pressing pause on savings. Snowstorms and icy conditions don't become a financial penalty every season. The RAV4 stays consistent in both performance and cost. Critics sometimes argue that the RAV4's engine can feel a little weak compared to rivals. It's true, you're not going to feel a surge of power at every turn, but here's where it balances the scales. What you give up in acceleration, you gain back in long-term dependability and reduced maintenance. Repairs on performance-heavy engines often creep up over time, but when you're driving a RAV4, you trade excitement for stability. That trade is why insurance companies, used car guides, and thousands of drivers continue to view it as a safe financial move. To picture how it holds up against rivals, imagine scrolling through used listings. You'll see other popular SUVs dip in value sharply after just a few years. The RAV4, on the other hand, holds steady. That stable pricing is not just about Toyota's brand name. It's about the trust generated from millions of units on the road sustaining exactly what drivers expect from them. If depreciation is the hidden cost of car ownership, the RAV4 does more than protect you. It saves you future money in a way many people overlook when first buying. That combination of affordability and reliability puts buyers in a unique position. Instead of worrying about major expenses, they enjoy peace of mind knowing both ongoing costs and long-term value remain in check. It's not the SUV that dazzles in a showroom, but it's the one that impresses most when you add up years of ownership. That's why many call it the quiet powerhouse of the compact SUV category. The conclusion is simple. The Toyota RAV4 may not try to be extravagant, but its record of durability, low fuel costs, strong resale numbers, and steady reliability make it one of the smartest investments you can find in the used market. From Toyota's practicality, let's move to a rival that's built its name on dependability as well. Number 2, Honda CR-V. What's the one SUV you'll see everywhere? From school drop-offs to weekend camping trips, the Honda CR-V. It seems like no matter where you go, this model shows up, and that's not by accident. Families choose it because it promises balance, giving you space, safety, and affordable ownership all in one package. Unlike some vehicles that force you to compromise on comfort if you want lower costs, The CR-V has managed to hit a sweet spot that makes it a strong all-rounder in the used market. When shopping for an SUV, buyers often worry about the costs that come after the purchase. Repairs creeping up, fuel draining a little too fast, or insurance premiums nudging higher than expected. These are the kinds of things that can turn an affordable vehicle into a headache. The CR-V regularly avoids those pitfalls. It doesn't just look like a safe bet on paper. Owners report time and time again that it performs exactly as they hoped years down the road. That reputation stems from its design, which focuses on long-term durability as much as convenience. Step inside and you immediately notice why families love it. The interior feels wide, with enough room for kids and adults without cramping anyone's knees. The rear doors open wide enough that installing a child seat doesn't feel like a wrestling match, something parents notice every single day. Cargo space is another advantage. Even in older models, the floor is flat and usable, which means groceries, sports gear, and luggage all fit without awkward gaps. Add in strong safety ratings that continually place it near the top of its category, and it's clear why a used CR-V keeps the trust of parents. Still, no vehicle is perfect. Buyers considering a used CR-V sometimes wonder if maintenance costs will climb over time. After all, it's one thing to buy a reliable vehicle new, but what about when it's already 10 years old? Will it still stand up to daily traffic, seasonal weather, and family road trips? The surprising answer is yes. Many drivers share stories of CR-Vs passing the 200,000-kilometer mark while still holding steady. Routine care like oil changes and timing belt replacements go a long way, but even beyond that, the model doesn't seem to carry the heavy list of issues some competitors rack up at that mileage. Reliability data supports this. Year after year, consumer surveys consistently rank the CR-V among the top for longevity. They highlight its transmission and engine performance as strong areas, noting fewer breakdowns compared to the average SUV. The result is predictable. Owners feel less financial pressure over the years, and that stability carries a lot of weight in the used market. Paying for fewer major repairs isn't glamorous, but it's often the biggest factor in whether an SUV becomes a curse or a blessing to its owner. And yet, as dependable as it is, not everyone wants to stick only with routine practicality. Some buyers crave a drive that feels more refined and a little more exciting. So the question becomes, what if you could find an SUV that adds some style and fun to the mix without driving up your costs? Number 3, Mazda CX-5. What if a used SUV didn't just save you money but also gave you the premium feel of luxury brands? That's where the Mazda CX-5 makes its case. It's the compact SUV that doesn't settle for being just practical. It brings style, driving enjoyment, and long-term value all in one package. When it launched, it shifted Mazda's reputation away from simple and plain models towards something buyers actually looked forward to driving. And that combination of cost-effectiveness and refinement didn't disappear once it hit the used market. The CX-5 is often described as Mazda's most balanced SUV, striking a mix between sportiness and everyday usability. Unlike many of its rivals that lean heavily into one category or the other, it blends features in a way that catches attention. You're not sacrificing a comfortable ride to get better handling, and you're not giving up good looks just for affordability. It raises an important question, though. Can a vehicle cover affordability, a fun driving experience, and stylish design all at once without coming up short in at least one area? That's the doubt many buyers face, but the CX-5 continues to ease those concerns in the used market. A lot of the credit goes to Mazda's SCACTIV-G engine. This technology focuses on efficiency without compromising performance, and real-world numbers back it up. On average, the CX-5 delivers fuel efficiency in the 8 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers range, depending on driving conditions. For a compact SUV with all-wheel drive, that figure is competitive, giving buyers strong economy across both city streets and highways. And when winter rolls in, that AWD system steps in with added traction. Canadian drivers in particular have praised how the CX-5 manages slick roads without creating the fuel penalties often associated with heavier, more aggressive AWD setups. Real-world feedback adds another layer of proof. Drivers routinely share stories of their CX-5s running smoothly past 150,000 kilometers without major complaints. The same Skyactiv design that keeps fuel use in check also supports long-term dependability, something not always expected in vehicles marketed as fun to drive. That consistency challenges the assumption that you must trade durability for style or enjoyment. In fact, it explains why the CX-5 often ends up on buyers' lists who initially were shopping for used luxury SUVs. Yet the cost difference pushes them toward Mazda without making them feel like they've compromised. What makes the CX-5 compelling is that it doesn't separate responsibility from enjoyment. You don't buy it thinking you'll get style and lose out later in maintenance fees. Instead, it shows you can have both. Families appreciate the fuel efficiency and space, while drivers enjoy the sharper handling and cleaner interior design. These opposing needs almost never find balance in one vehicle at this price point, and that's exactly where the CX-5 has carved its niche. So when you think about the Mazda CX-5 as a used SUV investment, the payoff becomes clear. It's not just saving money, it's about getting a vehicle that looks and feels like it belongs in a higher segment, yet carries costs that stay manageable over time. The CX-5 proves that financial responsibility doesn't have to mean driving something bland, and that premium touches don't need to sink your budget. Now, what about stepping up to something bigger with 3 rows that still makes financial sense? Number 4, Hyundai Santa Fe. What if the SUV most people overlook is actually one of the best financial decisions you could make? The Hyundai Santa Fe fits that description perfectly. It doesn't usually appear at the top of conversations about value-packed family vehicles. But the truth is, when you start comparing numbers, it has all the right ingredients to make it a smart used buy. Despite often being overshadowed by bigger names, it manages to deliver strong ownership benefits while keeping costs more manageable than plenty of its rivals. Part of why the Santa Fe slips under the radar is history. Hyundai spent years battling an image that wasn't flattering. Early models from the brand struggled with long-term dependability, and buyers remember how the resale values lagged compared to Japanese competitors. That old baggage still lingers in the minds of some shoppers today. So naturally, people ask themselves, does the Santa Fe still carry that same weakness, or has it turned a corner? If you look at today's data, the answer becomes clear. It has made steady progress, and in some ways, it actually offers more value by being underestimated. What makes the Santa Fe stand out is its size-to-cost ratio. It sits in the mid-size SUV space, where room and flexibility matter for families, but Hyundai makes sure it comes in at a price point noticeably lower than many larger rivals. That means you get extra seating comfort and cargo room without the financial stretch that usually accompanies a 3-row family mover. Owners don't have to choose between space for gear and saving money. They get both. For buyers who test drive it, the spacious layout catches them off guard because it comes at a lower upfront cost than models carrying more prestige-heavy names. As buyers start to recognize this model's advantages, they begin to see that sometimes flying under the radar benefits them. An SUV that doesn't spark trendy status appeal can still deliver more meaningful outcomes in ownership. Fewer surprises, lower payments, accessible upkeep, and the essential comfort mid-size drivers need. It turns the Santa Fe into a quiet achiever in the long run, one that proves reputation doesn't always align with reality anymore. The lesson here is that the Santa Fe's strengths are real, even if brand perception hasn't caught up fully yet. By looking beyond old assumptions, buyers discover an overlooked mid-size SUV that consistently returns value where it matters most, the total cost of keeping it on the road. If you need even more room without breaking the bank, the next option might be exactly what you're looking for. Number 5, Mazda CX-9. Think a 3-row SUV automatically means overwhelming fuel bills and expensive upkeep? Think again. The Mazda CX-9 challenges that assumption by delivering family space and comfort without punishing you at the gas pump or the repair shop. It stands out as one of the few larger SUVs that combines practicality with a sense of refinement, all while keeping long-term costs in control. For buyers who need extra seating but want to avoid the burden of an oversized vehicle, this model checks boxes that many people didn't expect. Mazda designed the CX-9 to serve as a family-friendly hauler with a twist. Instead of leaning into bulk and brute force, it focused on giving families space and flexibility while still making the vehicle pleasant to drive. From the outside, it looks like a full-size SUV contender, but its engineering emphasizes efficiency and livability. That balance shifts the conversation toward how well an SUV can maximize everyday usability without draining your budget each month. While styling and comfort draw attention, the real strength is how it moderates the financial downsides usually tied to larger three-row models. There's a reason many cost-conscious shoppers steer clear of three-row SUVs. The moment people hear larger vehicle, they often picture shocking fuel bills, high insurance premiums, and expensive maintenance. Over time, those expenses stack up fast and consume the very budget you hope to save by buying used. The CX-9 works against that reputation by trimming fuel use compared to its competitors and keeping regular service needs simple. As a result, families avoid falling into the trap of assuming more seats automatically equal more stress on the wallet. That element alone helps the CX-9 build credibility as a strategic buy in the used market. Inside, the practicality of this SUV becomes obvious. 3 rows of seating allow larger households or busy families to move comfortably without the cramped feeling that sometimes comes with smaller crossovers. The layout supports passengers with decent legroom in both the front and second rows, while the third is designed for flexibility during carpools or short trips. Cargo space remains usable even with multiple rows occupied, which makes errands and vacations more realistic without the constant juggling of what to leave behind. For parents, the design detail matters because it blends family utility with a touch of upscale comfort not always found at this price point. When it comes to smart SUV choices, the best picks aren't the ones that flash the most features, but the ones that balance reliability, affordable upkeep, and steady resale. Buying used isn't just about paying less today. It's about calculating how much every kilometer costs you in the long term. Models like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V show why this mindset saves thousands over time. If this helped you identify good SUVs, tap like and subscribe for proven DIY tips. Be first to catch, never buy a Ford with this engine when it drops.